Dorothy, the owner and founder of Flower Budgets. Welcome to our channel where we focus on helping you create a flourishing financial future. Today we're diving into an essential topic, saving for future expenses. Let's explore how to incorporate savings into your budget to prepare for future expenses and ensure your financial security. And for a fun way to save, consider purchasing a savings challenge at flowerbudgets.com. Before we get into the details, let's talk about why savings are crucial. Saving money isn't just putting aside cash for a rainy day. It's about creating a safety net that secures your future. Whether you're saving for a new car, a dream vacation, or unexpected emergencies, having a savings plan is key to achieving your financial goals. The first step in saving for future expenses is setting clear and achievable goals. Ask yourself, what am I saving for? It could be an emergency fund, a new home, or even retirement. Write down your goals and prioritize them. This will give you a roadmap to follow and keep you motivated. Next, create a budget that aligns with your income and expenses. List all your monthly expenses, including fixed costs like rent and utilities, and variable costs like groceries and entertainment. Once you have a clear picture, identify areas where you can cut back and allocate those savings towards your goals. Automation is your best friend when it comes to saving. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to both a savings bank account for sinking funds and large purchases and a high-yield savings account for your emergency fund. This ensures that you're consistently saving without the temptation to spend the money elsewhere. It's important to regularly review your progress to stay on track. Set aside time each month to evaluate your savings goals and budget. Adjust them as needed based on any changes in your financial situation. Finally, celebrate your milestones. Reaching a savings goal is an achievement worth recognizing. Treat yourself in a small way when you hit a target, and let that be a reminder of your dedication to financial security. Thank you for joining me today to learn about saving for future expenses. Remember, incorporating savings into your budget is a powerful step towards ensuring your financial security and achieving your dreams. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with others who might benefit. Until next time, keep blooming with Flower Budgets.